Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you stuffed Ridgegourd Bajji. This pairs perfectly with South Indian meals or you can serve it as a starter. Here I've washed and cleaned the Ridgegourd. I'm going to chop the stem part and the bottom part of the Ridgegourd. Since it's too large, I'll chop it in half then start peeling it. We don't have to remove all of that skin. We'll just remove the ridges or the fibrous part of the skin. I've already posted how to prepare Ridgegourd chutney. My mom prepares excellent Ridgegourd chutney using the skin. So do try that recipe also. It pairs very well with rice. Here I peeled the Ridgegourd. Now we will slice it into coins. This Ridgegourd Bajji is really famous here in Bangalore. During tea time, that is from 3 o'clock, we get this Ridgegourd Bajji here in all the Bajji shops. So now here you can see I've sliced the Ridgegourd into coins. For one Bajji, I'll be using 2 slices. So now we will wash this again thoroughly and place it in a pot of water. I've also added salt in the water and then placed the Ridgegourd in the water. So if there is any bitterness in the Ridgegourd, all the bitterness will reduce if you add it to salt water. Then I have drained it and reserved. For the filling, I'll be using garlic and chili powder. I'll add the garlic and chili powder to a mixer jar. I will also add coarse salt and tiny amount of water and grind this into a smooth paste. So this is going to be our masala filling. Here I have heated oil in a wok. We need hot oil to prepare the batter. So for the batter, I have added chickpea flour, rice flour, chili powder, salt, cooking soda, and then I've added carom seeds, I've added cumin, then hot oil. We will combine all of this, gradually add water and make a batter, smooth batter. Prepare this batter ahead of time and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. Otherwise, if you prepare your batter right away and then you prepare your bhajis, it will absorb a lot of oil. That is what I have noticed. Allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes. Then we can prepare the bhaji. Then you can see that the batter does not absorb a lot of oil. So this is something I have learnt on my own. Now this batter is ready. I'll allow it to rest. We'll start stuffing the Ridgegourd. While I stuff the Ridgegourd, the batter will be done. Here I've got that chutney ready. Now I'll apply it on one slice of the Ridgegourd and then I'll place the second slice on top and seal the Ridgegourd. This is going to be like a sandwich. Now we will prepare all the Ridgegourd in the same manner and we'll reserve it. A detailed recipe is posted on my blog, friends, along with detailed steps. All the information about my blog link and all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or if you click the icon above this video, it will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe, and you can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All my other social media handles also will be listed in the description box below this video. Now I place the oil on medium flame and the oil is ready. Now we'll start preparing the bhajis. Now we'll dip the Ridgegourd in the batter and gently drop it in hot oil. The oil must be on low to medium flame while you drop the Ridgegourd in the hot oil. Then you can place it on medium flame and fry it. The vegetable has to cook inside. So fry this for 2 minutes on each side. Keep flipping it and fry it. Place it on low to medium flame and fry. Otherwise your vegetable won't be cooked inside and it will be raw. So that's the reason. You have to be cautious while you're preparing these bhajis. Now gently keep flipping this every 2 minutes and fry it. Then you can place it on high flame and fry it for another minute till it turns golden brown in color. You can serve this for tea time, lunch, or even for dinner. It's very nice and tasty. Here they serve this during the breakfast itself, breakfast time, and they call it nashta. And they also pair this with some mandakki, masala mandakki, and they eat it. I have already posted how to prepare mandakki. I'll post the link also in the description box below this video. Now here you can see my Ridgegourd fritters or the bhaji is ready. I'm going to serve it hot. We thoroughly enjoyed it. The Ridgegourd was nice and sweet this time. It did not have any bitterness. It was very nice and sweet. We really enjoyed it. try this recipe, friends. Ridgegourd is very good for your health. These bajjis are so good. If you prepare it once, you will keep preparing it again and again. So here I've added the second set also. With just 1/2 of the Ridgegourd, I prepared so many bajjis. These bajjis were sufficient for both of us, for me and my mother. So here the bajjis are ready. Once it is fried till it's golden brown in color, drain it and allow it to drain in a paper towel, then you serve it. And don't eat it hot right away because the Ridgegourd will be very hot inside. Allow it to rest for a minute, then you eat it. It's very nice and tasty. So my bajjis are done. I've served it. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, do like, comment and subscribe. Share this recipe with your friends. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.